Hi everyone, in today's video I will be showing you how to make a Halloween themed wreath that is budget friendly and that I made using materials I found at the dollar store. You will need a 14-inch wire wreath frame, Halloween colored ornaments, decorative filler in the shape of pumpkins, black tulle, hot glue, and scissors. First we're going to cut a piece of the tulle, then cut it in half so that you have a long strip. Tie the tulle to the top of the wreath. Twist the end of the tulle and thread it through an ornament. We're going to use 3 ornaments to cover the front of the wreath, then pass the tulle through the center and around the back. Make sure to pull the tulle tightly so that the ornaments don't move around too much. Then repeat the process with 3 ornaments at a time. For this you can use plain black tulle. I'm using the glittery glow in the dark one because that was all I could find when I started making the video, but later I did find plain black tulle to use for the rest of the wreath. Once you have half of the wreath covered, make a knot to secure the tulle in place, making sure it's pulled tightly again and the ornaments are close together. Next we're going to pass the tulle through the frame below the 2 center wires and scrunch it up as we go along so that it holds in place. Continue to do that until half the wreath is completely covered. You can move and puff up the tulle a bit so that there aren't any empty spaces. As an extra precaution to keep the ornaments from moving too much, place a small dot of hot glue between them, especially the ones near the edge of the wreath. Then glue some pumpkins directly to the tulle and also fill any empty spaces between the ornaments. To finish, I wrapped some of the glittery glow-in-the-dark tulle strips around the wreath. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching!